What's up everyone, Jake's Aviation here. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing and model review. This time we got two models in this package here from Easy Toys. Super excited for these. These are the new NG models Alaska 737-900ERs. One in the plain livery and one in the new Oneworld livery. Super excited for these. So let's just get right into it. Let's unbox this here. There we go. Let me get all this paper on here. Jesus. The pack is tight. Alright. There we go. I think that's both of them. Okay. Fantastic. Put the box to the side. Alright, so here we go. Here we have it, guys. So inverse side here. Here we have it. The two Alaska 737s. The Oneworld and the normal livery. Super excited. This is what I feel like a lot of collectors have been waiting for a very long time. This 737-900ER in just the regular new livery now for Alaska, and you know, with the splits, everything just like that, just like this. And then obviously with Alaska joining Oneworld recently, they now have this beautiful Oneworld aircraft on, you know, obviously the 737-900ER. Super excited. So we're going to go ahead and just start with the plain one, and we're going to save the best one, the Oneworld, for last. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Oh, well, first off, the box, guys, you know, just the standard NG, you know, beautiful box, really nice. Here's the model, looks fantastic, all in one piece, doesn't look like it's missing anything. Oh, maybe, question mark, no, looks really nice. Slides right off, awesome. Let's go ahead and fix this box up here. Alright. Oh, forgive me. Sorry about the dog barking in the background there. Someone's dog. Alright, here we go. Here's the 737-900ER. New Alaska livery. This is awesome. Super excited for this. Alright, here we go. Move that out of the way. Oh, this looks amazing, guys. So, starting off, got the, zoom in here. Got the cockpit windows there. Got a 434-900ER there on E-tops on the gear door. The gear look really nice. NG has a fantastic mold for the 737s. The gears on point. I think it looks great. It's, you know, properly sized. Everything looks good about it. Very, very well done. So yeah. Then you have the door, obviously, with the little Oneworld logo next to it there, which is super cool. Just moving on, the Alaska titles. Yeah, it looks very nice. The engine, looking nice with the colors on it. You know, good size, not too low to the ground at all. Very nice, very nice height. Everything looks good, mounted nicely, not crooked or anything. Obviously got the splits here on the end, if it will focus. There we go, kind of focusing there. It looks really nice. I think NG models have the best split scimitars when it comes to like the models, and then obviously there's the inside of that one. So really nice. And just moving along, you got the two overwing exit doors there. The nice overwing exit markings on the wing, looking very nice. And then you have the little antenna there, Wi-Fi, another antenna, registration 434 Alpha Sierra, American flag, and then the Eskimo tail there. There we go. Very, very nice. This is just, you know, it's a plain, very simple model, but the livery looks beautiful with the blues, the green, and then the white, very sharp. Very, very excited for this model. This is a great addition. Now, before I get to the Oneworld model, I'm just going to say that the reason I only got one of these, and now I know they're a very, very popular aircraft, especially at LA, is because this registration, AS, 44AS, not that many of their 739s have the AS registration. The ones I've noticed, the most popular ones at LA are the ones with Alpha Kilo AK at the end. So I'm hoping in the future NG will do a re-release with one of the newer, I want to say newer 737-900ERs with the Alpha Kilo registration as opposed to AS. Just because I feel like, you know, realism, I would definitely get more if they had the Alpha Kilo registration, because those are more of the newer 900ERs and they tend to be the ones that are flying out of LA more from what I've noticed. Now obviously this, you know, it's just a registration, so no big deal, but you know, just for realism's sake, and I would personally want one of those just to have too, because AS isn't the only registration that they have, obviously. So yeah, anyways, very nice model, super excited to have this. Let's go on to the next one now, the 900ER in the Oneworld. Here's the box. That looks really nice. Zoom out a little bit more. Very nice. Alright. Now I know Gemini Jets, I think they're doing a variant of this too. I feel bad for any of people who get that one. I don't think it gets better than the NG model's version. You can't go wrong with this mold, this model. Wow, this is stunning. Holy. Damn. This just looks amazing. Alright. So, here we have it. We'll zoom in here. Just like that. We've got pretty much the same thing on this one. So, got the cockpit windows there, the gear door, 487 AS 900ER on the gear door there. The gear's looking nice. Got the Oneworld logo right next to the door there. And then obviously cockpit windows looking really nice. Then you have member of Oneworld, Alaska. Moving along, the engine's nice, you know, the antennas. 487 Alpha Sierra, and then the American flag, tail. So, you know, not much different on this one. Also, honestly, it's just the Oneworld titles, but very nice. Super excited. Obviously the baggage doors, I didn't show that on the other one, but you guys know. Those are there, and then the underneath, nothing fancy at all. It's very plain, but very nice. Obviously the gear roll, the gear looked great. The gear everything's intact. NG Models has done a fantastic job on these two models, honestly. So I'm super excited to have these two. I'm hoping they will release more Alaska 737-900s, 900ER should I say, in the future. Whether that be, you know, some of the specials, just a different registration, like I said with the Alpha Kilo registration, which would be awesome. I think there's a few more that they could release. I know there's a More to Love one that I don't think they've released. Well, obviously no, they haven't. I know Gemini Jets did that a while ago. They could do that one if they wanted to. I think that'd be cool. I personally would replace my Gemini Jets version of it with an NG Models version of it. But yeah, this has just been a quick review video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.